In the wilderness of Moab, just beyond the Jordan, a moment of justice and transition unfolds among the people of Israel. 5 courageous sisters, Mahlah, Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah, the daughters of Zelophehad, approached the tent of meeting.
Our father died in his own sin and left no sons. Why should his name be lost from his clan because he had no male heir? Give us a possession among our father's brothers.
This moment is revolutionary. Women in ancient Israelite society petitioning for legal inheritance, and not for greed, but to preserve their father's name within the people of God. Moses brings their case before the Lord, and the Lord replies to Moses, "The daughters of Zelophehad are right. You shall give them an inheritance among their father's kindred." And from this moment, a new law is handed down, one that affirms justice and dignity within the family of Israel. This is more than civil law. It is a reflection of divine justice, a reminder that every soul, male or female, matters in the eyes of God. As Moses nears the end of his journey, he climbs Mount Abarim, where God shows him the land promised to Israel.
Let the Lord appoint a man over the congregation, that the people may not be like sheep without a shepherd.
God answers by choosing Joshua, son of Nun, a man filled with the Spirit. Moses obeys. In the sight of all Israel, Moses lays his hands on Joshua. This sacred gesture, the laying on of hands, marks not just a transfer of leadership, but a prefiguration of apostolic succession, a Catholic truth still lived today. Thus, in Numbers 27, God upholds justice for the forgotten and ensures continuity for his people. This chapter reminds us, God sees the cry of the voiceless. He honors justice, even when culture forgets. Let us remain faithful and ready to follow wherever he leads.